Quikrete Blacktop Repair requires only minimal surface preparation, but doing it right makes the patch last far longer. Start by removing loose debris, standing water, and any vegetation from the pothole using a stiff broom or a wire brush, so the patch material will bond to solid substrate. Square the edges of the hole with a chisel, cold chisel, or a masonry hammer so the repair sits against vertical sides rather than a tapered edge that will crumble. This is the single most important step for longevity. If the patch will be deeper than 2 inches, fill in layers and compact each lift. Hand tamping with a steel tamper or the handle of a sledge works for small repairs, but compacting ensures load transfer to surrounding pavement. You do not need a primer or bonding agent for Quikrete Blacktop Repair on conventional asphalt, as the product is designed to adhere to clean, sound asphalt and concrete. For repairs on cold, wet days, remove as much water as possible and allow the surface to drain, so you place material onto the driest practical surface. Excessive standing water reduces initial cohesion. Always overfill slightly and compact flush, or just below the surrounding grade to allow for settlement and compaction from traffic. Common mistakes are not squaring the hole enough so the patch loses edge support, failing to compact lifts, which causes voids and early failure, and placing material on a surface with standing water or loose debris, which prevents adhesion. Square edges with a chisel and remove loose material to fix the first problem. Compact every layer thoroughly and build up in 1 inch to 2 inch lifts for deeper holes to avoid the second issue. For the third, sweep and drain the hole as much as possible before you place the product and let light traffic assist final settling only after initial set. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community for real-world tips and project experiences related to pothole repair and other exterior maintenance tasks. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase past projects and engage with potential customers.